and Father's Day on Sunday.
Thank you, Brett. Days before a more restrictive abortion law is set to take effect in North Carolina, plaintiffs have filed a lawsuit hoping to put it on hold. Today, abortion providers filed a lawsuit challenging several provisions in the law, banning most abortions after 12 weeks of pregnancy. WRAL's Chelsea Donovan joins us live from the Legislative Building after reviewing the lawsuit. Chelsea, what's the plaintiff's argument?
Gerald, plaintiffs in this case believe that this law was passed too swiftly with no advice from medical professionals. They believe that this law is riddled with confusion, which could spell unsafe or unreasonable care for abortions in our state. In 16 days, Senate Bill 20 becomes law, banning most abortions after 12 weeks in our state.
This lawsuit generally challenges SB 20 as a very badly drafted bill.
Today, Planned Parenthood and Dr. Beverly Gray, a Duke Health OB-GYN, filed a 32-page lawsuit in federal court, stating that many provisions of the law are contradictory and add more harm to rape or sexual assault victims.
There is also a requirement, a completely nonsensical requirement, that people seeking abortion through the rape or incest exception have to go to a hospital to get that abortion. That is inexplicable.
The lawsuit is also asking the General Assembly to clarify if medication abortion pills are legal through 12 weeks of pregnancy.
In many parts of this law, it makes clear that abortion will be legal up to 12 weeks of pregnancy, including medication abortion.
The plaintiffs also believe the law needs to be clarified if Planned Parenthood or physicians can help people who are more than 12 weeks pregnant obtain legal abortions in other states. If the law prohibits offering that advice, the plaintiffs believe that's a First Amendment violation.
It's unclear which type of medical professional can now provide that information. It appears to say that only physicians can do that. So we are asking the court, though, to clarify.
Lastly, the lawsuit challenges a provision requiring certain information be provided to the patient 72 hours before the abortion, with no exception for medical emergencies, despite other sections of the bill which outline a medical emergency exception to the 72-hour mandatory delay. Now, Republicans believe that this law was needed and that the majority of North Carolina voters support it. We should mention that Planned Parenthood operates 6 of the state's 14 abortion clinics. And if this law were to be passed, or if this law were to be passed, that means that they would have to spend money to upgrade those sites or close them.
Chelsea Donovan live in Raleigh. Thank you. Chelsea reached out to the defendants in this suit, Attorney General Josh Stein and DHHS. Both said they would review the complaint, but made no further comment.
Congress is now taking a closer look at the December attack on the